Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today we have an awesome toned arm workout for you. We're gonna hit all the points: biceps, triceps, shoulders, all the good stuff. We're gonna look good, we're gonna feel good, have fun, burn calories. So let's get into it. All right, so like usual, we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain more, it's a demonstration. I talk you through it as I do it with you. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We just go straight through the routine. Alrighty, to begin with, our first exercise, not only great for warming up, but actually really works the muscles. So little but effective. We're doing arm circles, small arm circles. So with a nice strong stance, your feet are hip width apart, your knees are slightly bent, our arms are gonna go straight to the side and we're gonna go forward. Little arm circles forward for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go backwards for 30 seconds. Now the shape you should be making should be about the size of a baseball or maybe a large grapefruit, no bigger than that. And that's where the control comes in. That's where, you really tighten your muscles to make that small movement, all right? So 30 seconds, starting position and forward. Very good. Now, even here, we want to remember proper posture. So we want to avoid arching, all right? So this would be arching, and we're going to close that rib cage and tuck in our butt and protect our spine, all right? Whole body is engaged. Very good, almost there, starting to feel the burn. Small circles, small, small, small. And 3, 2, 1, and 30 seconds backwards. Very good. Small circles, remember, shape of a baseball or grapefruit, whatever you want to imagine is right there, and you're going around it. All right, and then we talked about our straight spine, but we're also having a nice proud chest, all right? Our long, elegant neck and our shoulders are pushed away from our ears. Big breaths in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead, let your arms down, shake them out, and get ready for our next exercise, which are front raises with a kickback. So I'm gonna show you from the front. We're gonna go all the way up, starting by our sides, all the way up, and then we're gonna come down and kick back, all right? So from here, all the way up and down, kick back. Like so, all right? All the way up, making sure you don't scrunch your shoulders. Make sure you push them away from your ears. And then back here, that nice little pulse is gonna work out your tricep, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go all the way up and down. Now, no flimsy arms, okay? I don't want to see this, all right? We have nice, straight, engaged arms moving with intention. These movements are small, but they're really effective when you really engage every part of your arm. And your core, go ahead and suck in that tummy, tuck in that butt, close that rib cage like we talked about. The whole body is engaged. 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. Next, we're gonna be doing tricep extensions, all right? So starting with your hands overhead, you can go ahead and put your palms together, and we have our arms really close to our ears, all right? So they're nice and close, so that we just move the lower half and bend at the elbows and squeeze as you come up. Squeeze, 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 down and extend, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. All right, and remember to drop those shoulders. Even though our arms are up, we drop our shoulders. Big breath, 30 seconds on the clock, starting position, and let's go. So we bend and then squeezing together. Very good. Big breaths. Really working through the motions. It's not about how fast you do it. It's about proper form. So remember those cues, your shoulders, your chest, your tummy. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's easy to forget when we're focusing on something. So I'm just here to remind you. 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. We're not even through the first set, and I already feel my muscles burning up here, so I hope you are too. We're gonna end it strong with one of Mare's favorites, monkey pumps, all right? This one's fun. So we're gonna start with our hands and arms out of the side. Elbows are bent, so it's a nice 90-degree angle, all right? So we're gonna go up into a shoulder press, down, and then together, and our palms flip towards us, all right? So up, down, together. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. Up, down, back to that 90-degree angle. That's where control comes in, and together. Very good. Squeezing your chest as they come together. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze your chest, and shoulder press. Very good. Don't forget that nice bend of the knee, no locking knees. We need a nice blood flow throughout the body. Very good. Almost there. And 3, 2, 1. Finish it out and shake it out. Very, very good. That was set number 1 of your toned arm workout. Take a second, stretch, grab water, breathe, and get ready for set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set 1 done and dusted. We're doing set number 2 now. Less talking, more doing. We're gonna go straight through the workout. We have our small arm circles forward, then backwards. Then we have our front raises with the little kickback. Then we have our tricep extensions and finishing with our monkey pump. All right, 30 seconds each exercise. Starting with our small arm circles, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, backwards. And 3, 2, 1, release and shake it out. Front raises with the kickback, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Moving on to tricep extensions, 30 seconds, and let's go. Woo, feeling the burn. Keep going, keep pushing through. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, and release. Shake it out. Very good. Finishing strong with our monkey pump. 30 seconds, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Shake it out. Give yourself a round of applause. 2 sets done. Take a few seconds. We have our little break, and then we're going to set number 3. We got this. See you in a few seconds. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3. You know what to do. You got this. Starting with our small circles, 30 seconds, going forward, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, backwards. And 3, 2, 1, release and shake it out. Front raises with a kickback, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Moving on to tricep extensions, 30 seconds, and let's go. Woo, feeling the burn. Keep going, keep pushing through. You're doing great. 3, 2, 1, and release. Shake it out. Very good. Finishing strong with our monkey pumps. 30 seconds, and let's go. Three, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Shake it out. Alrighty, that was it. 3 awesome sets of your toned arm workout. I hope you liked it. If you're ready for another one, go ahead, rewind, get to that 4th set. If not, thank you so much for joining us. Go ahead and check out our channel. We have so many amazing videos to share with you. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell because that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out. And I hope to see you on the next one.